All right, folks, we got a 2018 Dodge Journey blend door actuator. So this one, those are identical parts. This one back here in the back, that one controls the temperature for the passenger side control. So if you try to have dual climate where your driver has one temp and the passenger has a different, that will control that part. I want to replace it, but as you can tell, that's a Phillips head screw there, and we're at an odd angle. Really tricky. I thought for sure that part was out because my side was hot and couldn't get it to change. Ended up realizing that it's not necessarily the part itself. There's a sequence that I did on here strictly by luck. And what I did was, since my side was stuck on hot and the driver's side was stuck on cold, what I did was I had the driver's side down to cold, the passenger side at hot, where it was configured, right? And then so I ended up hitting sync, which will cause the passenger side to override to the driver's side format. When I did that, it fixed the issue. Now we're nice and cool over here on the passenger side. So it's as if the sequence was out of sorts. I did everything else I could do other than that particular step. Once I did that, it straightened itself back out. No parts needed to be replaced. Now I can return my parts. Just thought I'd share this tip for everyone.